Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baro kinikilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Kaskul St. Peter's Secondary School Mawpat kadai kaslam ai jing hikai jing nang jing start kabla seng nadu usnem Shahjar khandai spa san ponyo. Menta ketika skul keladon hadu secondary haga baki bor penya skul kilanang penba man kapor haga jingkershan lang ki kmiki pa jongki kena skul hadu banyo ya ke ying skul ke bapaka bala plead u menteri katunat animal husbandry uba AL heng uba dairu u MLA ke penthor umkra constituency. Ya ke School St. Peter's Secondary lashna penhe na ke skim SRWP ba na ke Chief Minister Development Funds. Haba yo ban play ketika yung school thymmai la yo ka Kyrkhuh ye ki kamra school do Father Pius CMF Major Superior ya kabala sunran nang da uscrat 3 ka school of Father Joy Publical CMF urang ba shnong kamaupan uba Juda JM Walang u Father Keropin Hasha CMF School Principal. Shushu haba pinpau ya ka jingkemen ka School St. Peter's Secondary School Mawpat balayo ying school thymmai kilayo ban pelong ya ka sneaker pang jengkik mikik pa ka Parents Days ya ka bala pelong haplau jeng ka school min ha ka arpau turing urisau. Na kaliang ki khna school kilapen I ya ka jingkemen jengki shakik mikik pa ki bala kershan bat pha ya ki khunsha school banyo jingstan da ka jingshat bat ki riam ki bet ki baharukom hado bakla pensho bit ya kik mikik pa.
So I take this honor and privilege to inaugurate this extension school classroom of the St. Peter's High School. Congratulations for a new construction.
Different means to educate ourselves. Education comes to us only when we are interested in it. So let us ask God to give us that taste of education in our minds, the love for learning in our minds, the availability to receive the learnings given by our superiors and also by our teachers and above all our own parents, because education begins at home. I would say that it is something worth seeing, watching, the quality as well as the variety that you are putting on this stage. The quality comes to us when we really plan. The variety comes to us when we have real thoughts made. With clear plans and thoughts, when we bring out our talents, there we will have the ability to perform. So performance comes with a variety of our own effective implementation of talents. So a child is born, the child first sees his mother or her mother. Then he or she listens. After having listening, seeing and listening, then he or she is touched. And feeling from there begins, also slowly tasting. And with that, he or she begins to really grow. So making use of God-given talents by the various abilities that each one is provided, slowly is being grown right from the birth of a child.